Okay, my name is Falake. I want to show you how to cut this bias, how to make a bias by yourself. So you'll be cutting it in this direction, yes, in the slant direction, so you can get your bias. And I'll be using a bias tape maker. So I'll pick one from it. The bias tape has different sizes. So that yellow one is the smallest, is the second to the smallest. Okay, so I'll be using my seam ripper to pull it out. So yeah, I'm trying to put them on each other. I hope you're seeing it clearly now. Okay, so when I put it, I'll just pull it, making sure that it's forming the folds at the two sides. Okay, I'm still showing you to see that, okay, that yellow one is second to the smallest. Okay, are you seeing it? Then I'll start ironing it. Once it has formed those two folds on each side, I'll be ironing it. As we keep going, the folds, it will just be doing by itself. That it has been created that way. That's what the bias tape is made for. So I just iron. I try to make the image closer, hoping that you see it clearly. I just keep going along with the direction of the bias tape. As I'm pulling it, I'm ironing. As I'm pulling it out, I'm ironing, and it is forming by itself. Okay, so I try to let the iron stay down a bit so that it's going to stay, so that the fold doesn't go off. I arrange it back, yeah, and it has stayed. So now I want to show you the original bias tape I bought from the market, so that you can see that it's similar. They look just alike, even though this one looks like a, yeah, this is mine, this is the one I just did, yes. Then the one I bought that finished, okay, yeah, I'm taking out the thread. Are you seeing that? It's just the same thing, no difference. So you can make it by yourself.